Good morning, it's Friday, February 20th, and this is Connecticut Today, CT Insider's daily audio briefing. Catch up on Connecticut. All news, no noise, in under 5 minutes. We're starting off with a quick look at the weather. A wintry mix is expected to move in around sunrise, with snow changing to ice and rain during the day. The full weather update will be at the end of the briefing. In today's headlines, Connecticut public school enrollment has reached its lowest point in at least 20 years, according to new data from the State Department of Education. There were 497,764 students enrolled in pre-kindergarten through grade 12 for the 2025 to 26 school year, which is about 10,600 fewer students than the previous year. Ajit Gopalakrishnan, the department's chief performance officer, said, quote, "That's a 2.1% single-year decline, and that's the largest single-year decline we've seen since 2007. The drop is part of a national trend, with factors including lower birth rates and more families choosing alternatives like homeschooling and charter schools. While the number of students with high needs dipped this year, the number of special education students rose to nearly 95,000, marking a significant increase over the past decade." Connecticut's health insurance marketplace, Access Health CT, reported a third consecutive year of record enrollment. A total of 157,246 people signed up for a qualified health plan during the latest open enrollment period, a 4% increase from last year. This comes as Affordable Care Act marketplaces nationwide have seen a decline in enrollment after the expiration of enhanced federal subsidies. Governor Ned Lamont allocated $70 million to help eligible households cover premium costs, and a special enrollment period for those households began on February 1st. Covered CT, the state's no-cost coverage program for low-income residents, also saw enrollment rise to 51,629 people. The Windsor Town Council has voted to turn off its automatic license plate reader cameras, following concerns about privacy and data sharing. The decision comes after reports that out-of-state agencies accessed data from cameras in Connecticut, with some searches labeled ICE or ICE Assist. Council members cited skepticism about the company operating the cameras, flock safety, and concerns from residents about data security and oversight. The town's contract with Flock, valued at $40,000 for 16 cameras, is up for renewal in May. Police Chief Donald Melanson said officers would be disappointed to lose the tool, which has helped in investigations, but council members said the community's concerns took priority. A debate is underway in Hartford over new online betting platforms, known as prediction markets, which allow users to wager on future events. Governor Ned Lamont has proposed legislation to ban these platforms for anyone under 21. The Mohegan Tribe and the Mashantucket Pequot Tribal Nation oppose the regulation, saying it could threaten their exclusive gaming rights in Connecticut. The governor's office said House Bill 5038 is intended as a consumer protection measure and does not legalize or license prediction markets. Lawmakers and experts have raised concerns about the lack of safeguards on these platforms, especially for problem gambling. In Coventry, a small white house known as the Cottage has been home to the family of UConn women's basketball star A.Z. Fudd throughout her college career. The house has served as a gathering place for family, friends, and teammates, with the Fudd and Duffy families traveling from Virginia and Minnesota to support Azzy. As Azzy prepares to graduate and move on to a professional basketball career, the family is preparing to say goodbye to the Cottage and the Connecticut community they have come to love. The house has become a symbol of family commitment and support during Azzy's time at UConnecticut. And now for the full weather forecast. A wintry mix will continue through the day, with snow changing to sleet and rain as temperatures rise. The northern parts of the state could see up to 2 inches of snow, while the southern half will see mostly rain with some brief icing. The wintry mix will taper off Friday night, but there could be a few icy spots overnight into Saturday morning. Another chance of snow showers is expected on Saturday, and a coastal storm could bring more snow Sunday night into Monday, especially in southeastern Connecticut. Thanks for listening. For more local news, visit ctinsider.com. This digest was partially generated by AI and then reviewed and edited by our newsroom staff.